Hello and good morning. Today I'd like to begin my documentary video with my group members. My name is Huang Yixiang. My metric number is A206814. The Antarctic is a very mysterious place. How much do you know about the Antarctic? Now let me take you into the Antarctic to see what the life of the creatures here is like. Imagine a city of 400,000 king penguins in Antarctic, one of the largest animal colonies on Earth. These penguins, about 90 centimeters tall with golden neck feathers, live in tightly packed groups on sub-Antarctic islands like South Georgia. Unlike most birds, king penguins don't build nests. Instead, they balance a single leg on their feet, keeping it warm with a special skin fur. To feed their chicks, adults dive deep into the icy ocean, often over 100 meters, and travel up to 500 kilometers in search of squid, krill, and fish. The colony is loud and chaotic, but also highly organized. Penguins recognize their mate or chick by unique calls, even among tens of thousands. Meanwhile, young penguins huddle together to survive the extreme cold, which can drop below -20 degrees. But life here is under threat. Climate change is pushing food sources further away, making survival harder. Scientists predict that without action, 70% of king penguins populations could decline by the end of the century. This incredible city is a testament to life's adaptability and a reminder of the urgent need to protect our planet's most vulnerable species and ecosystems.
Hello, I'm Li Yuncong. The number is 8207365. My part is content. The contents of such an exploration might include the first, penguin behavior, insights into the social interactions of king penguins, including their mating rituals, communication, and parenting practice. The second is habitat description. The harsh Antarctic environment where these penguins live, including ice formations, weather conditions, and adaptations the penguin have to survive in such extreme conditions. The third, colony diagnosis, details about how a colony of 400 penguins functions, including how these manage space, food, and movement, as well as how they protect themselves from predators. The fourth, environmental challenges, exploration of how climate change and other environmental factors impact the penguin colony and its survival. And the fifth, scientific observation, information from scientists and researchers studying the king penguins, focusing on their migration patterns, reproduction cycles, and how the species is adapting to its changing environment. The last, stunning footage and imaginary visual content showcasing the breathtaking landscape of Antarctic, as well as the impressive number of king penguins in the colony.
Hello, my name is Li Zhuoxun and my metric number is 208096. Now let's talk about the questions. the ecological environment problems in Antarctica need to be taken seriously for the following reasons. The firstly, impact on the global climate system. Antarctica plays a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate. The melting of glaciers and ice sheets in Antarctica leads to a rise in sea levels, which threatens the habitats of coastal cities and islands. Additionally, the increase in vegetation covering Antarctica may lead after the surface elevate, thus influencing the Earth's energy balance and climate systems. The secondly, disruption of the ecological balance. The unique and fragile ecological environment in Antarctica is home to numerous precious species such as seals, penguins, and whales. The expansion of vegetation may squeeze the living space of native plants, reduce species diversity, and impact the entire food chain. Moreover, the increase in human activities poses a greater risk of introducing alien species, which may disrupt the local ecological balance. The thirdly, release of ancient pathogens. As the glaciers in Antarctica melt, ancient pathogens that have been trapped in the ice for thousands or even millions of years may be released. These pathogens could potentially trigger large-scale epidemics, posing a significant threat on human health and the ecological environment. Thank you.
My name is Marie. My metric number is A206941. Penguins are iconic creatures primarily found in the southern hemisphere, especially in Antarctica. They thrive in cold, icy environments and depend on the ocean for their primary food sources, such as coral, fish, and squid. However, their habitats are increasingly under threat due to global warming and human activities, which are deeply interconnected. Global warming's impact on penguins. Global warming, driven by the excessive emission of greenhouse gases, is causing polar ice caps to melt and sea levels to rise. For penguins, this means a reduction in breeding grounds and a loss of habitat. For example, the Adelaide penguin relies on stable sea ice for nesting, and as the ice diminishes, their population declines. The role of human activities. Human activities are a major contributor to global warming. Industrialization, deforestation, and the burning of fossil fuels increase carbon dioxide levels, accelerating climate change. Furthermore, human activities such as overfishing and ocean pollution directly affect penguin populations by reducing their food supply and contaminating their environment.
Hello everyone, my name is Chen Pengyu. My metric number is A206508. Protect their homes. Penguins are super cute and special animals that live in Antarctic. Their homes are really important for them to survive. These places are where they have babies, take care of their chicks and rest, and they also get their food from their habits. So to make sure penguins can keep living there for a long time, we have got to protect the Antarctic environment. We need to cut down on human activities that can mess up their homes. There are overfishing in the Southern Ocean around the Antarctic. Too many fish and krill are being caught. Krill is a big part of what penguins eat. If we catch too much krill, it throws off the whole food chain. Penguins might not be able to find enough to eat for themselves and their babies. Then they could get sick from not having enough food, and their numbers might go down. We need to set strict limits on how much fishing is allowed and make sure people follow the rules. Since the Southern Ocean is international waters, countries need to work together. Fishing boats should be watched all the time to make sure they don't catch more than they are supposed to. Also, we should do more research to figure out of how different fishing ways affect krill and other things penguins eat, and we should use fishing methods that are better for the environment.